Hello guys, in this video I will explain how to make supply diffuser and return diffuser for an HVAC drafting, right? uh, in this video I will also explain the use of blocks and how to create blocks and how to use the blocks in your drawing, right? And let us start. Okay, we will use the polylines and rectangles to make the rectangles to make the diffuser. Okay, so first of all I will start creating a polyline. For that one I will type here in the command line window p line, or I can type simple pl, and then specify the starting point. Okay, so I will click here, anywhere I can take click, and then it asks the width. I will take the width as, I will type W for width and take the width, starting width as 2 mm, or I can say 2 mm is enough for me here, so I will type 2 mm. And then it's ask ending width. Ending width is also, I am happy with the 2 mm. Here you see the line is 2 mm thick. Okay, and I will keep the length up to here, or I can make the I can toggle the orthogonal mode by using Control L, so that it is always horizontal and perpendicular. And I am happy with the this much big here up to here. Okay, and now I have to select the it says this next point, or I can I can start the width again. So to start width command I will enter W, and I have typed W, and now I will start the I will enter the initial width of the line. Okay, thickness. So to get the arrow, our thickness in the initial thickness must be greater than the horizontal part or line part. Okay, for to get the arrowhead, so I will type here like 4 double. Earlier it was 2 mm, now it is 4 mm. Okay, now it has the ending width. Ending width, the for the pointed arrow ending width should be 0, so I type here 0. And then you can see the arrowhead is ready, and wherever I like I can make the length by using the I can type the required length of the arrowhead, or I can just click. Okay, wherever I am happy with this here, so I will click here. So arrowhead is ready, right? Okay, so here our one arrow is ready, and now I will make the rectangle. Okay, to get the rectangle I will click on the rectangle command, and now I will I have started it, and I will enter the length or width, equal length and width or height, base and height of the triangle rectangle. So I am taking the base as 25 mm is good, and so height will be 25 mm, so that it is square, and I get the square shaped here, right? Now I will take the offset by taking I think 2 mm is enough. 2.5 mm will be good, so I will enter the distance 2.5 mm. Okay, and now I will select this, and select object to offset 1, and again 2, again, again. And now I hope this is good for the diffuser part. First of all I will make the supply diffuser, and then I will make the return diffuser. Okay, so let's escape get out of this command, rectangle command, and I want to make a copy of this. Okay, copy of this entire, you can see entire this one for supply and one for return. So I will copy this one, and to copy I can type C, or I can click here on the ribbon, and I take the point, anywhere point, one point, and I make a copy, right? So we have a copy of this, and now I can uh, I can uh, I can copy paste the uh, I can copy paste the this arrow. Okay, so to make the diffuser, right? So I will just click here and then copy this one, and then click on copy. Okay, and then taking the point from this screen, and then I can put it one here, one, you can see one on the midpoint here, and one midpoint here, and one midpoint here. Okay, this is our for supply diffuser, and for the return diffuser I will make the similar arrangements. Okay, now I have to rotate these arrows, okay, so that it looks good. So I will rotate by taking rotate command, and then selecting the object. I select object and enter, and then point and take it upwards, or I can use Control L for the orthogonal mode, right? One, and similarly again rotate command, rotate, select object, enter, take the rotating point or center point, and this. Similarly again RO command, repeat the take the rotate command, and selecting the object, and then enter, and then taking center point or rotation center, and then this is our here. Okay, or even I can make it smaller or bigger, whatever I like. Even I can move it to the somewhere else, or I can move it to anywhere. mm, so that it is a little bit far. And now I will copy again, I will copy, and this time base point will, I will take arrowhead. Okay, I want to take the arrowhead, and now I will paste one at this center, and one here, and one here, and one at the base. So I will hit escape, and now I have to rotate it. So I will take the rotate command, and then select the object, hit enter, and then taking the center point this, and then this. Similarly I can take this again, rotate command from, and then I will select the object to rotate. I will select this, enter, and then taking this, and now again take the rotate command, enter, taking the center point, center of rotation, and now we have two diffusers ready. Okay, and I can move it to a little bit far from here, so that it doesn't interfere with our view. Okay, now I have created these two diffusers one is supply diffuser and one for return diffuser, right? Now I can make it block to use it further so that I can copy paste it anywhere. So I will make blocks. To start block command, I will type bl for block and hit enter. Okay, so first of all I have to give the name for this. I will give the name like supply diffuser and pick a point of base point on the screen. So I will just take the center point. Center point is good. This is our point, and then nothing else I have to specify, just book block is created. So I will hit enter. Okay, select object. So I can see the again enter. Okay, now supply diffuser is already made as a block. Okay, and you can find it here in the blocks. Here it is, supply diffuser is available. Similarly I will create a return diffuser too. Okay, so I will type block again, bl for block, bl, and hit enter, and it will ask the name of the block. So I will name it return diffuser. Return diffuser, right? Now it has the base point, so I will pick the point here. I will take the center point of this, and I will take this center point and then hover. I have taken the center point. Okay, now it asks the select the object. I will click on the select the object, and then I will select the entire object from here, and then taking this all return diffuser and hit enter. Okay, now I have selected the object as well as the pick point or base point. So I will just click OK, and block is ready. If I see, I will find two blocks here. One is supply diffuser and one is return diffuser, you can see here. And I can use in my drawings whenever I like to use it. I need to use it and use these blocks. So I hope this video might be useful for you, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.